Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting essentials ready. Wear your Apple Watch snugly and keep it charged. Once done, make sure your iPhone is paired, Bluetooth is enabled, and Watch OS is up to date so sensors work reliably. Open the heart rate app on the watch or add its complication for instant access. Tap the app to start a reading. The optical sensor uses green LEDs and photodiodes to measure pulse. This first action gives a live BPM and creates a record in health for later review. Once you've opened the heart rate app, focus on getting consistent measurements. Sit or move steadily and hold your wrist relatively still for the first 30 to 60 seconds so the sensor can lock onto your pulse. For workouts, start the workout app and pick the correct activity to enable continuous monitoring. This lets the watch sample more frequently and estimate calories. Also make sure background, heart rate, and notifications are enabled in settings so the watch records periodic samples. And finally, review your data in the health app on your iPhone to see heart rate, resting rate, and recovery trends. This helps you understand what the numbers mean over time. If readings are erratic or missing, make sure the back sensor is clean and the watch is snug, then restart the watch and your iPhone. If problems continue, unpair and repair the device. One quick troubleshooting tip: cleaning the sensor and reseating the band solves most false readings caused by dirt or loose contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.